Hello everyone, I'm here on Hardie Street to show you a 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit on this inside this building, Hardie building number 2. Before I get in and show you the unit, I want to show you how beautiful it is here outside. It's very quiet. It's beautiful and safe neighborhood. The place is located at the intersection of Montgomery and this street is Hardie. The unit I'm about to show you is located on a lower floor. As you walk in to this building, you have 2 doors you go through. The first one is this, you don't need a key, but for the second one you have to have a key, so you have extra security here. As I walk in this vestibule, I have this mailbox on my left hand side and also the intercom for your guest to buzz for you to buzz your guest in, and here is the fire station on my right. I open the door. Okay, so now I'm inside the building, and the building has 3 stories, 3 floors. Our unit will be located here on a lower one, unit number D2. This is on my right. I'll get inside and show you what it looks like in a minute, but before I get in, I want to show you what you have here on the outside of the unit. Right across the hallway from your unit or unit D2, you have a laundry room, shared laundry room. It is a coin operated. It's neat and clean here. You have everything you need. Although you don't need this for this particular unit, because the unit itself has washer and dryer in the unit, just in case if you need to use the machine for bigger loads. You have them for $2. It also has a credit card machine. You can use credit card, or you can use I think it's if I'm not mistaken, you could use coin or credit card. Looks like it only has slot for credit card. Now I will get in and show you what the inside of the unit looks like. Hello everyone, I just came to the unit D2 and came in from the outside. I just showed you the outside in the previous video. And I'm coming to the unit right now. When you walk in, you have a little bit step here. You will see this hardwood floor. It's a beautiful hardwood floor. They just wax it. And the unit has a very high ceiling. It's a lot of, even though it is a lower unit, you see you have a lot of natural light. You have these 3 big windows for the natural light. This is your living room. It is a huge, beautiful living room. At that corner, you have a closet space, storage space. Nice storage space. By the door, you have this intercom where you could buzz in your guests to come in. And we could talk to them from here also. And the next room I would like to show you is the dining room with this beautiful chandelier light. And the dining room has also these 2 windows for a natural light. It has same beautiful hardwood floor. It is a very good size dining room. Just cross from the kitchen. Over there you see the kitchen. I will get in there in a little bit. I just want to show you how big this dining room is. The unit has a central heat and a window unit for the AC. The tenants are responsible for the electric. The heat will be included in your rent. This is the dining room. Then I come to here. The kitchen is a huge kitchen with a high ceiling. And as you walk in, you have here pantry on your right hand side. Big, very big. Nice pantry. And you have a lot of tons of storage space. And the kitchen is huge. You could sit in a table here and use this area as a breakfast area because the kitchen is really big. To be honest, in this kitchen you have washer and dryer, stacked up washer and dryer. It's brand new. You have a gas oven and cooktop. You have a lot of cabinet space. You have range hood. You have a refrigerator. You also have that window for the natural light and the door. This door will lead you to the back of the building where you could find a trash bin to put your trash. You have one over there, and also you have a couple of them down there by those cars. This is the kitchen. I just get back again to the kitchen. So the next room I would like to show you is the bathroom, which is here. The bathroom has this beautiful tile floor and big in size, and it has tile wall. You have sink, you have a medicine cabinet. The bathroom has two doors. One, it will lead you to the hallway, which I just came from. The other one will lead you to the master bedroom. This beautiful master bedroom with two huge windows for the natural light. And this bedroom, you have that corner, you have that closet space. It's nicely, freshly painted unit. Here is a closet space, nice size closet space. Big bedroom. I go back to the bathroom again. In this bathroom, as I showed you earlier, you also have a bath tub and shower combo. It's very big bathroom. Then across the hallway from the bathroom here, you have this storage space, closet space. Then the last room I would like to show you is the other bedroom, which is facing the back of the building. It has a door and a window for a natural light. It's huge. It is as big as the other bedroom. This door, you will not be able to open it. They painted so nobody can open the door. it just the window just brings the natural light, glass, to the unit, to the bedroom, I mean. And this is what it looks like from this side. It's beautiful, beautiful 2-bedroom unit. At that corner, you have a closet space. Nice size closet space. Windows this corner. All right, I just showed you the 2-bed, 1-bath unit and the building, which is located at 10 Montgomery Avenue. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the unit. Thank you for watching. Bye.